Hello, my dear viewers, and today I have wonderful news for you. Today we are ready to build and develop our own apartment hotel complex here in Las Terrenas, right on the shore of the Atlantic Ocean. I present to you the Dream House. Just as the name of our YouTube channel and our Telegram channel, this project is planned to have 24 apartment units in it, and they will all be located about 750 feet from the ocean. In this project, we will have 12 apartment units with one bedroom, with a surface area of about 540 square feet, and they will cost about 100,000 USD per unit. 6 units will have 2 bedrooms with a surface area of about 1,100 square feet, and they will cost about $170,000 to $180,000 per unit. And also we will have 6 penthouse units, and their price will vary anywhere from $250,000 to $280,000 US dollars. But that is in the beginning, and of course during the construction phase the prices will go up. This apartment hotel is located right in the center of Las Terrenas. At the same time, it's not far from the ocean, and this is our main goal, to be in the center of everything, yet also not far from the ocean. And so that regular folks could have an opportunity to purchase nice quality real estate here in the Dominican Republic. The first 5 people that invest with us will get a 20% discount. All the details will be discussed individually. We are now having negotiations with our investors, and if you are interested, all my contact information is in the description below. This apartment hotel will be called the Dream House, just like our YouTube channel is named. As of now, the prices for real estate and property here in Las Terrenas have spiked up significantly. And one of my biggest requests as a real estate agent here is people ask me, can you find us something that is cheap, that is affordable, that is near the ocean, something that I could have for myself? And this has become my goal. So that, of course, it also has a nice price, anywhere from $100,000 to a couple $100,000. And this has sparked me into creating this project, starting this venture, so that regular people like you guys, like my viewers, who are very dear to me, could have access to such opportunities and buy affordable real estate here in the Dominican Republic. Like I said in the beginning of the video, this complex is going to be located about 750 feet from the ocean. And of course, all the restaurants, all the bars, all the clubs are going to be nearby. And within 5 minutes, you can be at the ocean. Within 10 minutes, you can be within any store, supermarkets, and all the places that you like to visit and hang out at. And that includes pharmacies, restaurants, bars, the fish market, discos, anything and everything you like, guys, is right here. Like I said previously, this complex is located right in the heart of Las Terrenas, but at the same time, it is not far from the ocean. We are planning to build 24 units in this complex. We will have 12 units with 1 bedroom, 6 units with 2 bedrooms, and 6 penthouse units. And like I said previously, for the first 5 investors, they get a discount. So the units that they choose to purchase go to them at a 20% discount. And of course, all the details will be discussed individually. In the near future, we plan on going into the construction phase and building this complex. All the licenses, all the documentation, all the legal work is almost completed as of now, and we will begin construction work. Now, concerning the prices, of course, they will go up during the construction phase. The units with about 540 square feet, the 1 bedroom apartment units, will go for about $100,000. The apartment units with 2 bedrooms, or 1,100 square feet of surface area, will go for about $170,000 to $180,000 USD. And the prices for the penthouse units will vary from $250,000 to $280,000 US dollars. But I would like to repeat myself again, this is in the beginning of the construction phase, and the prices will rise, like in all development projects. I'm very glad to share this news with you guys. This is our first project that we are able to bring into fruition, but this is one of the many projects that we have planned. We are also planning on building several ecological projects for tourists and people who want to move here to the Dominican Republic. However, this first project we plan on putting a lot of effort into because this will be our flagship project that everybody will look at and see our project of our channel and of our company, The Dream House. And I'm very happy that I have the opportunity to help you guys with acquiring affordable real estate and bringing you guys here to this small little island paradise where you can live here or use this opportunity as an investment opportunity to have real estate that will give you passive income, or just have a second residency, however you deem fit. So as of now, we're continuing to negotiate with our investors. If you are interested, all my contact information is in the description below. Have a wonderful day. This has been Yuri Constantina from the Dominican Republic. Goodbye, and until next time.